everybody, welcome back to the channel again. So we're just kind of puttering around this afternoon, and I wanted to clear off some snow. If you saw in the other video that we did, that we cleaned up, we opened up the sawmill shed and checked that out. So I was contemplating whether or not we should start sawing some logs, but I went to do that, and there's just more snow, and I got snow in the way, and then found more snow problems. So, and that led one thing to another. And then I got to be honest, when you when you get in the tractor, it's nice, warm, heated cab, comfortable, listen to the music. It's kind of hard to get out, and you kind of don't want to get out, and so you find ways to stay in the tractor cab, and that's kind of what I did. So this has to be done eventually anyway. I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see. So you saw we were cleaning out some of this snow here, and then over there a little bit ago we were cleaning out the snow in front of the log pile, and then in front of the snow in front of the sawmill shed. But here, this is a specific reason to clean this out. So looking back up there, hopefully you guys can see without that sun shining right in your eyes, but the goal here, when I built this whole lawn area and all of this stuff, I made it all pitch this way to the driveway, and then the driveway pitches back this way, so it made kind of like a funnel, and all the water, especially springtime wise, it all runs right down here and runs right down here and runs right out and disperses down into the woods. So that's some of why I have that snowbank right there and other things. But I keep this all clear because this is going to melt first. Well, I didn't clear this. Usually I clear all of this every time I plow, and I haven't done any of that. I didn't clear any of this at all for quite a few storms, and you can see why, because you look, I don't know if you can see it all, but this is all just nothing but glare ice right here. So up here we got snow and dirt, and it isn't glare ice, but down here was glare ice. So the goal of this, I wanted to clear this out because of 2 or 3 reasons. And one of the reasons is what I just explained. I want to make sure that this is going to be clear for later on in the springtime. Now, I'll be perfectly honest with you, it's supposed to warm up quite a bit here this week. So I wouldn't be a bit surprised, but it's going to warm up enough that stuff's going to start to melt, and then we're going to need this trench a little. But one of the other reasons is what's coming very soon, and hopefully you guys will check out, subscribe, and stay tuned in the channel, is maple syrup season is right around the corner. It's coming up real quick, and we do quite a bit of maple syrup around here and do a lot of tree tapping and everything else. And I got my partner in crime there, my little helper. She loves doing it, and we go and do it every year. So that's part of why I'm digging this out now. Is we got some IBC totes full of dry slab wood that we use to burn in the evaporator for the maple syrup, and I want to be able to get to some of these. I've got some here, I got a little bit there, and then over here, I'll flip you around, we got 2 or 3 over there as well, some hardwood and some slab wood and some leftover. That tote in the center there is leftover ends from when we were building the equipment shed, and that's all pine. So I got quite a bit in various places here, and I want to be able to get at them so I don't have to take, hours and hours to dig them out with the tractor or whatever. I can just come down here with a fork, pick up a IBC tote full of them, and start stoking the fire. But I thought of something. There's a big log I dug out. I was thinking about this when we started to do this, and I was like, you know what, I should go back and get the snowblower. And I got to be honest, I'm really glad that we didn't, because look at all the junk that we got in the snow pile. And that just would have broke shear pins or whatever, because I knew there had to be some wood and stuff in this area right here that either came from the sawmill or whatever, that it just ended up here. But that pile of junk right there would have been quite a bit, and that would have ended right up in the snowblower, broken shear pins or whatever. So I am really glad that we didn't go get the snowblower. And it just takes an extra minute when you're in the tractor with a bucket, as you see, was picking snow up and moving it around. But yeah, so looks like sun's going down. It's getting cold. Well, it's been cold, but it's today was probably the warmest it's been in, I don't know, even almost a month. So we might get above freezing by the middle of the week. We'll see. Depends on the situation. But for now, I'm going to get back in the heat. But I really appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the channel. I appreciate all you guys' comments. All of you that come back week to week. I really enjoy seeing your comments. And if you're new to the channel, leave a comment. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what you guys like about what's going on with the channel. Let me know if there's something that you want to see that you haven't seen in some of the videos. Let me know if there's something that you want me to focus on a little bit more of. Maybe you want a little better explanation of something. Drop me a comment. Let me know what's going on, what your thoughts are, and yeah, maybe we'll do something different. But until then, appreciate you guys stopping in. Come back. We'll see what's next. Thanks, guys.